to Miss Lena's Kitchen. Hello, everyone. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. And I'm coming to you today, and I'm going to be doing a sweet potato pudding for you. All right, but I'm first going to read you my scripture. The Lord grants, from his mouth comes knowledge and understanding. Proverbs 2 and 6. Thank you so much. I'm getting ready to make this sweet potato pudding. I don't know if you've ever heard of a sweet potato pudding or not, but I had some vanilla wafers, and I've already crumbed them up and put just a little bit of sugar on top of them. So now I will be putting in some marshmallows on top. This is kind of like a layer out. It depends on how big you're going to make your pudding. Now this is going to be a small one, so I can't tell you how much to use to do this with. You have to kind of determine it yourself. I had a few sweet potatoes left, and I decided to do this in the pudding also. But I'm just going to take the marshmallows and put them at the bottom. Let me see, stand up so I can see if it's covered.
It's covered.
Okay, then. All right. I got one or two more little spots right here. Okay. All right, now I have these few potatoes there, and this is mine. I'm going to be putting in this is half a tablespoon of extract, vanilla at that. Okay. One-half teaspoon of salt.
That's a half, y'all.
It's just a half a teaspoon. So you can put more in there if you like. And I'm also adding just a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And a half teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay. I also have a half cup of sugar, white sugar. All right. I'm putting everything in almost at one time. A half a cup of whole milk. I may have to put a little bit more, but this is what I'm starting with. And I have 2 eggs. Now this, it doesn't have to be thick. I have to always check because the sweet potatoes, because I don't know if this is going to be sweet enough. So I'm going to check. If it's not, I may have to add a little bit more sugar. And just a tiny bit more. Tiny bit more sugar. Because it's not really sweet. But I know everybody don't have to have no sweet, so. I'm adding 2 more tablespoons of flour. I see just a little bit too much. I'm getting ready to put putting on top of the marshmallows.
Okay, y'all. What you gonna cook it on? Huh?
I'm
What
going
you
to put
cooking
the
on?
oven for about 30 minutes on 350. And I'll be back shortly. Thank you. Okay, everyone. I'm back with this is my final results of my sweet potato pudding marshmallow. Okay, I'm going to do a little taste test for you. I've had so much sweets today, I don't know if I want to have a whole lot of it anyway, but I want you to see it anyway, So I told you I have vanilla wafer crumbs at the bottom, okay?
Y'all, this is dessert. It's not dinner. It actually is a dessert. It's a dessert. It's not don't go with your Thanksgiving dinner. It's actually a dessert like pudding.
Yeah. It's pudding. I want you to know because this will, I had put the vanilla wafers at the bottom along with the marshmallows. So that's why I turned it like this so you can see how it's going to look for you. And then I have the regular top, where you see the regular top right there. So I'm going to put just a little bit of Cool Whip on it also. You can also, put something else, whatever you would like, ice cream or whatever. It's just, it's like an appetizer or to get ready or to end the meal, whatever you like to do for it. So, this is very hot. I just took it out of the oven, so, and it's melting. It's melting my Cool Whip also. Very hot. Very hot, but it's very good. It's a little different, but it's very good. See, it's very, very good. Okay, since it's very hot, I can only take a few bites because it's really hot. But it's very, very good. And it makes a good dessert as well as an appetizer. Something that you just want to go along with the sandwich or something else extra to have a little dessert. My daughter says, no, it won't go with the sandwich.
No, it's actually a dessert, y'all. It tastes like a dessert. It really does taste like it's a dessert.
Okay. But anyway, I thank you all for viewing. This is just something a little different that I was trying to get up so you can make your own decision for the holiday dinner. And so I hope you appreciate what I've done for you all to let you all get started with the dinner that you will be having. And I thank all of my subscribers, all the supporters, and all the new ones, and all the ones that may be coming in later. I hope you all will enjoy these few different versions of my sweet potato pies, banana pie, and all these different things that I have going on.
So yeah, it's a pudding. I'm trying to make it clear. I don't think it is though, but it's actually a pudding.
And I hope you all will enjoy this. Just take out the time and go through my channel, go through my videos rather, and you might find some of the things that you want. I will be coming back with more videos, more different things coming up in a few days. So just keep your notification button on and say, well, Miss Lena will be back with some different things going on. So I thank you all so much. Have a blessed day and a happy football weekend with all my love from Miss Lena's Kitchen to all of my subscribers and all of my friends and channels and membership. Everybody in my YouTube family. Thank you. Goodbye to everyone. Have a blessed week ahead to everyone. And God bless you all. Goodbye.